Assalamualaikum everyone. This is the demonstration video on how to install the Smart Door mobile apps and how to operate the Smart Door access system at KICT. First, you need to save the project file to your phone. Then go to Play Store and search Virtuino 6 VIRTUINO 6 and click Install button. Once the apps is ready, launch the apps and you will see the blank screen. Go to the three dots buttons and select Load Project. You need to find the file that has been saved in the correct locations. Maybe you need to save the file in the Google Drive for easy access. And then go to three dots again and click Connect button. You will see the cloud icon with green color, meaning that the integration between the apps and the Smart Door system is successfully connected. From the screen, you will see 4 key icon buttons. First row of buttons is provided for DCS Smart Door, while second row of buttons is provided for DLIS Smart Door. There are 2 buttons for each row, left buttons for left door and right button for the right door. In this demo, I will use the DCS left door as an example. As you can see from the current status icon, it shows DCS door closed, meaning that the door now is in the lock position. To access the room, you just need to click on the key icon and the status will change to the DCS door open, meaning that the door is unlocked. Now you are ready to access the door. In 10 seconds, the door will be locked again. Thank you.